What's up guys, and welcome back to another short awaited video of Love for Cars. Today we're going to be addressing a very irritating issue after I basically changed the deck on the Mark 5. Shortly after changing it, when I left the car overnight, I noticed the battery dying. I tried charging it a few times, drove it around, parked it again, and then just to wake up the following morning to find another dead battery. So up till this point, my battery is completely dead of my car right now because of the deck. But I will be sharing as well how you can solve the problem to fixing that issue with the deck actually killing your battery overnight. But before we get into that, guys, some time and just like and subscribe to this page if you do like the content. After this video, I will be giving you guys some information of how far the engine build is also on the Mark 5. So stick around for that, guys. It will be a bit interesting. Yeah. So let's get straight into it and see what the actual issue is with the Android deck when installing it in your car, and what settings you have to change, which is imperative for you to change when you do an Android install on your car. Right. So once you do have your deck on, what you want to do is you want to go to your menu, and you then want to go to car settings. Once you are inside car settings, you'd want to go to factory settings, and when you are at factory settings, it will prompt you for a code. The code, which would normally be 48, so it's 8888, and that will give you access into the main settings of the deck. So once you're inside these settings here, you'd want to go to engineering test debugging. Once you enter engineering test debugging, they'll ask you for a code there. The code is 269 599 1010. Once you got that, enter. It will bring you to this page over here. So if anything else is selected besides direct shutdown mode, the deck is going to drain the power of your battery while the car is switched off. So it might seem like the deck is off at the time when you do remove the key and everything switches off. In the background, this deck will basically be running all the time, and it will pull the current from your battery. So what you have to do is, if it's anywhere there, or there, you need to switch it to direct shutdown. Once you select direct shutdown, you can just select OK. It will ask you to save the settings. You say OK. Come back out of everything. And once you come back out of everything, all you then need to do is just remove the key. The deck will go off. Leave it like that for about a half a minute or a minute. Turn the ignition back on again. Turn the deck on again. Follow the same settings that you did, just to make sure that the setting is saved. Once it is saved, you shouldn't have an issue with your deck draining power from your car again. So that's basically what I figured out with some research that you need to do. Otherwise, you'll be waking up to a dead battery every day with these cars, or you have to disconnect your battery every time you pull your car into your garage, because that's basically what I had to do. I hope that basically helped you if you are having issues with your Android deck draining your battery, because I'm sure it will help you as it helped me. So go try that out. I'm sure you'll see some positive results with your Android deck not draining your battery anytime after that again. So guys, that's basically it that I wanted to speak about with regards to the Android deck. I've got my RS4 injectors that I basically ordered, and they basically came looking fresh and brand new. So I'm basically loving this, but before I can actually insert them into the car, I need, or it is imperative for me, to install the high pressure fuel pump upgrade on the high pressure fuel pump. So the only problem with that is that the price these guys want for this thing, let me guys show you, is ridiculous. As you can have a look over there, that is the price that they are looking for a high pressure fuel pump upgrade. A couple of, how can I say, metal parts, but all quite effective when it comes to sorting out fueling issues on the FSI engines. So that is the part I need right now that's basically standing in my way. But I do know of another company that can supply it at almost half the price that those guys are selling it for. So once I get that part, the high pressure fuel pump upgrade, I can then go ahead and install these RS4 injectors. And the other thing is as well is that I need a RS4 fuel pressure return valve. Once I get that as well, then we should be able to take the car for a good tune, and then we should be able to see what power the car will be making after that. So fingers crossed, guys. I hope that everything goes as planned, and yeah, stick around for the next one to come, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the page, guys. It does help the channel. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Keep it real.